2 power x plus 1 plus 2 power x plus 2 power x minus 1 equals to 56. Since we know a power m plus n equals to a power m multiply a power n, a power m minus n equals to a power m divided by a power n. So this can be written as a power m multiply a power n. 2 power x multiply 2 power 1 means 2 plus 2 power x plus 2 power x minus 1. 2 power x by 2 power x by 2 power 1 means 2 is equals to 56. Here 2 power x common. 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 56. LCM 2 times 2 4 plus 2 times 1 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 56. 2 power x 7 by 2 is equals to 56. 7 divide 56 by 8 times. So 2 power x equals to 8 multiply 2. 2 power x equals to 16. 16 can be written as 2 power 4. So base are same, so exponents are equal. So x equals to 4.